Hello, country people. We hear say former Enugu First Lady Clara Chime finds love again. Set to remarry. In fact, she don't marry. She don't remarry. But we'll come to that one later.
Igbo Area TV.
Clara, former Enugu State First Lady and ex-wife to former Governor Sullivan Chime, she don't find love again. She don't marry the new love herself. Wife of a former governor. Whatever will make this woman leave her first love, Sikwarike. We've been here say her marriage to former Enugu Governor Sullivan Chime get comma. Get us the comma they comma too much. Say a nightmare. Because as a first lady of Enugu, then she can access anything in the world she wants. Is Sullivan no longer the sweet guy she married? Ogini na-esoku, nwanne gwa m ife na-esoku n'obodo. Ogiga na-esoku. Based on what we hear, her traditional marriage done happen last Friday, April 29th, 2022 inside Amoda Isuochi, Umunochi, a local government in Abia State. We hear saying Anambra man, she won't marry herself, but nkaha washi, ndabes no washi. The lie, she actually married a very rich man from Kaduna State. I will remember the name soon. I will remember that man's name. We hear say she grew up inside Castina, so she's so familiar with in the north. So when I know the man where she married, get as it take relate to late President Yaradua's daughter, who be her schoolmate, classmate for school, maybe through that connection, all those kind of things. I don't remember the name of the man where she married. The name just arrived my table. Clara married Joseph Shiroma last Friday, 29th April, just like we tell now, 2022, inside Isuochi, Umunochi, local government area of Abia State. Anyway, she herself come become the second wife to the new husband. Should I even say congratulations to her for this? For Ehapo, dear Mbumbo Onyibo, Nozi Onyubu, should I say congratulations? Meanwhile, my faith doesn't support that, leaving your husband and remarrying. My faith says if you divorce, you cannot marry. This is like divorce, quitting the marriage. So I'm not congratulating her. And another reason why I congratulate you, I happen only Igbo, no only Hausa. Oh, choice here, I have my condemn, but I will not congratulate. Anyway, since we are talking about marriage today, let me visit overseas and come back. Marriage still unmarried, but overseas, make I come back. My Tyson, the offer $10 million to any man we go get the courage to marry his first daughter. And until today, I never find somebody we go marry her. Now, of course, Tyson not done away. That's not 50 kg, for investment. Okay, and let's go further and see the news. The former boxing heavyweight, no they happy, say him daughter no fit find any man we go marry him. That any Mr. Right all these years. He ain't call rice. He ain't call rice now one day over. And this lady still be virgin. It was how they all virgin. Her name is Michelle Tyson, and as you see for the screen, she did very endowed like her papa. The lady fine well with her dark skin, and she dey weigh 150 pounds. Ndị Igbo ahịa azụmana no onye ka ọ na-agalụ. I realize say onwe onye chọrọ ịnwụ before in time. All these men na-atụ egwu. But this kind one fit the pamper you. Please give it a try. When I never marry, I meet this kind lady. One Igbo trader for Lagos been tell me, say, if say na him, he go marry the lady. Make I quick go grab the lady. Make I enter inside the marriage. So after all, marriage is not a bed of roses. Say marriage na deal. Nah, rush and collect that money. Ego abukwara Igbo $10 million. Onye ndị afia ndị Igbo ndị ọsọ afia ọ calculate go ego dị na ya hapụzi amọ ha na oweghị ife ndị ọzọ so They will make a Iron Lady just super of woman super of just see a window map there. Ball photographer could say there. That's a mobile. If only she do business, enter. You know, the egg had an air with a camp back home with a go import Africa from China. No one on young opportunity. It be like saying a marriage matter we go discuss today for this show. Recently, Hope was my daughters married. Like saying twin daughters. The marriage happened inside Abuja upon saying that Igbo guys married the daughters. Another thing what bother me self, you say, where it na happening place get so many, you know, for Ali Igbo, where it get Imo get the greatest and best hotel, but they still not happen inside Imo. One day, why should it go to Abuja or get in a say? Kabundi on non-government or on gun men. I make I use this same opportunity to share one article where I just read. This one by Timothy of Ebu. The title now, Igbo Traditional Marriage Outside Igboland. Make we read now. He said, in the past 2 months, I have received 3 invitations to attend the traditional marriage of an Igbo man and a woman here in Abuja. He said, I missed the other 2, but attended the one today at the hotel. That's the day he wrote this. He said, it looks like a wedding reception. Everything went on fine, and the items on the list were monetized. I asked the brother to the bride their reasons for choosing Abuja. He told me that their area in Anambra was under a siege of unknown gunmen. He bitterly complained that twice they tried the traditional marriage. They aborted because UGM demanded 5 million naira from them. And it has been confirmed by many now that in some parts of Imo and Anambra State that you will pay the boys in the forest heavy levy before you can bury someone or have any social event. Indeed, we are living in an interesting time as Igbos. Now, Ndibo, what shall we do about this? It has gotten out of hand. Khalifa Emifa, what is the solution? What is the solution? Because put your comment on the comment section. This thing has is going out of scale. It's going out of scale. This is where we round up on this particular show. I am Azuka OJ. Bye for now.